Hi there, I'm Yvonne DeSellis coming to you today on my channel Y Energy. I'm here to say hello as usual to everyone, to newcomers and old comers alike. If you're new to my channel, I welcome you with open arms and I really hope you'll be back. If you're not new, if you're a subscriber, welcome, welcome. Hope to keep seeing you come visit me. I really appreciate that you do. I'm going to shut up now though in the interest of time because I know everyone is really busy, but I'm going to go back there and I'm going to do the lymphatic flush hopefully one last time for a while, because every single time I do it I forget something. So as I said, I'm going to try to do this one more time. I'm really hoping you can hear me, and I'm hoping you'll be able to hear me when I go back there. I have to go back there so you can see full figure, so that you can see every move that I am doing. When I start with the lymphatic flush, I start at the K27 points, which are down here, and the way you get to your K27 is by tracing your collarbone from the back right into the center of your chest, right over here where the 2 points almost meet. Drop your fingers down just a little bit. You should feel 2 little divots, little soft spots. Those are K27 points. That stands for kidney meridian position 27. So when I say K27, I'm going to start here. I'm going to go back there. I hope you guys can hear me. If you can't, I am going to close caption this when YouTube allows me to. And also, side note to everybody else, I have been, like many other YouTubers, I've been demonetized. It sucks, but I know things are going to get better at some point, so knock on wood, hopefully I will get remonetized soon. But anyway, I'm going to head back there. So thank you. Come with me or go somewhere comfortable. Hopefully this will work for both of us. And hopefully I won't forget anything this time. We'll see. Time will tell, because I seem to forget something every single time I do this. But anyway, once again, lymphatic flush. If I come rushing over, it's because my computer's falling asleep, despite the fact that I'm recording. It keeps doing that. So you start with your K27s, massage. I just use my index finger and my middle finger, vigorously massage the K27 points, or buzz them, or tap them. So you do the K27s and then you go out about another inch. These are the governing points. You should feel 2 other divots. When you're done with that, you're going to use your knuckles to massage the spot where your arms meet your torso on both sides. Do both sides, and then with your knuckles once again, go across the top from the sides, go all the way across, over the pecs, all the way to the center, and then you're going to go under the pecs, starting out at the sides again, going to the center. Then you're going to go underneath your rib cage and just vigorously massage. I just use the very tips of my fingers. You're going to go all the way out to the sides and then come back out to the sides again with your knuckles. Once again, vigorously massage almost to the point of pain. Not quite though, but to the point of discomfort. Go to the center. And then start just massaging about an inch over the navel. Start there. And then just start massaging down and keep going until you reach your pubic bone. When you get to the pubic bone, this is going to be a little sore, just to warn you. By the way, if you hit sore spots, it's because that some part of you is hurting, and that's where that sore spot corresponds to. But this is going to probably hurt worse, because we're going to go out to the sides now and do the hips. And I got to warn you, hips and between the legs, you will probably find sore spots on the way down. So be careful, but just to warn you, you may find sore spots. Go to about an inch over the knee, then widen your stance and go in between the legs. Start about right under the pubic bone and just keep going down until you're about an inch over the knee. And when you're there, you're done torturing yourself. Yay! We're done torturing ourselves with the lymphatic flush. The lymphatic flush is a really good thing to do. It's a good way of ridding your body of toxins that have built up either over the evening while you've been sleeping or during a rough day or a rough time. If you just feel lousy and you can't quite put your fingers on what it is that's making you feel so bad, sometimes doing the lymphatic flush is what your body needs. The lymphatic system, it's kind of like the circulatory system, but it's your energy body. And it's a good thing to flush out the lymphatic system every once in a while if you think of it. So anyway, I really do hope that was helpful. I will be back in about a week. As always, I thank you so much for your time. I hope you will be back for more, and I will be back too in about a week. But as always, I thank you. Namaste, peace and light, and I really do hope you will be back. Thank you once again. Peace and light. Namaste. Cheers.